Welcome to Investor Web, your go-to channel for insights into the world of business and investments. This is where curiosity meets knowledge, where we unravel the complexities of the business world, one video at a time. If you're seeking a deep dive into the financial markets or curious about the strategies employed by Fortune 500 companies, you're in the right place. We cover a wide range of topics, from the basics of investing to advanced corporate strategies, always aiming to provide you with actionable insights. Our content is tailored to ensure that whether you're a seasoned investor or a newbie, there's always something valuable for you. So if you haven't already, do consider hitting that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we delve into an intriguing business concept, building a monopoly. Buckle up for an enlightening journey. A monopoly, in simple terms, is a single entity dominating a market. We've all heard the term monopoly before, but what exactly does it mean? Well, in the world of economics, a monopoly is a situation where a single company or group owns all or nearly all of the market for a given type of product or service. This is generally caused by one firm being more efficient than its competitors, and it often results in that firm having the power to influence the price and supply of the product or service. Now imagine a town with only one grocery store. That store would essentially have a monopoly over the grocery market in that town. It could set prices as it pleases, control the supply of goods, and there would be no competition to keep it in check. However, monopolies aren't inherently bad. In fact, they can have several potential advantages. For instance, a monopoly might be able to achieve economies of scale that smaller competitors can't, allowing it to produce goods or services more efficiently and at a lower cost. This could potentially result in lower prices for consumers. That being said, monopolies also have their downsides. Without competition, a monopolistic firm might become complacent, neglecting to innovate or improve its products. It might also abuse its power, setting excessively high prices and taking advantage of consumers. So, monopolies can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, they can lead to efficiencies and cost savings. On the other hand, they can limit competition and potentially harm consumers. But regardless of whether they're good or bad, monopolies are a fascinating aspect of our economic landscape. They force us to ask important questions about the balance between efficiency and competition, and about what we as a society value. Now that we have a basic understanding of monopolies, how does one go about building one? The process of building a monopoly starts with a unique idea or product. Now, when we talk about a unique idea or product, we're referring to something that sets you apart from the competition. In the world of business, this is often referred to as a competitive advantage. A competitive advantage is essentially a unique attribute or set of attributes that allows a business to outperform its competitors. This could be a superior product, a more efficient manufacturing process, a comprehensive customer service, or even a strong brand identity. For instance, consider the case of Google. When they first entered the market, there were already several search engines available. However, Google developed a unique algorithm that provided more relevant and useful search results. This unique product made them a favorite among internet users, and they soon dominated the search engine market. Another example is Amazon. Their innovative idea was to create an online marketplace where customers could find virtually any product they wanted. Their one-stop-shop approach, combined with fast shipping and excellent customer service, quickly made them the leading online retailer. In both these cases, the companies started with a unique product or service which they used to carve out a niche for themselves in the market. However, a unique product or service is not enough in itself to establish a monopoly. These companies needed to continuously innovate and adapt to changing market conditions to maintain their competitive advantage. In Google's case, they expanded their services to include email, cloud storage, online advertising, and more. Amazon, on the other hand, introduced new features like Amazon Prime, Amazon Music, and Amazon Web Services. These expansions helped them solidify their positions in their respective markets and move towards monopoly status. In conclusion, innovation plays a crucial role in the foundation of a monopoly. It starts with a unique product or service, but it doesn't stop there. Continuous innovation and adaptation are necessary to maintain the competitive advantage and dominate the market. A unique product or service is just the beginning. Let's explore the next steps. With a unique product or service, the next step is growth and expansion. Once you've established a unique market proposition, the journey towards creating a monopoly truly begins. It's time to focus on growth and expansion. This is where your business strategy needs to be agile, innovative, and robust. Let's delve into this. Growth is not merely about increasing the size of your business. It's about strengthening your market presence, broadening your customer base, and scaling your operations efficiently. It's about being bigger, better, and more influential. Now, how do you achieve this growth? The answer lies in three key areas: marketing, customer retention, and market penetration. Firstly, marketing. This is your megaphone. It's how you communicate your value proposition to the world. Whether it's through social media, content marketing, or traditional advertising, your marketing efforts should amplify your unique selling points, creating a buzz that's too loud to ignore. Next, customer retention. It's not just about attracting new customers, but keeping the ones you already have. Providing exceptional customer service, offering loyalty programs, and consistently delivering quality can turn your customers into brand ambassadors. They'll not only keep coming back, but also bring new customers to your doorstep. Finally, market penetration. This is about getting your product or service into as many hands as possible. It involves strategic pricing, distribution, and promotional strategies. The goal: to dominate your market segment and make your product or service the go-to choice for consumers. Remember, growth and expansion are not linear. They require constant monitoring, tweaking, and sometimes a complete overhaul of your strategies. It's a cycle of learning, implementing, analyzing, and refining. Remember, your goal is not just to be a player in the market, but to be the market. And this is achieved through relentless growth and strategic expansion. Growth and expansion are essential, but there's one more critical step to building a monopoly. Finally, maintaining a monopoly requires constant innovation and staying ahead of the competition. It's a bit like running a marathon where the pace never slows and you're always on your toes. The race never ends, and neither does the need for growth and innovation. A monopoly is not a static entity. It thrives on change and evolves with the times. This evolution is driven by innovation. Whether it's a new product, a new service, or a new way of doing things, innovation is the lifeblood of a monopoly. It's what keeps you ahead of the pack, and it's what ensures your monopoly remains intact. But innovation isn't just about creating something new, it's also about improving what you already have. It's about making your products or services better, faster, and more efficient. It's about never being satisfied with the status quo and always striving for excellence. Innovation, however, is just one part of the equation. The other crucial component is maintaining a strong relationship with your customers. It's about understanding their needs, meeting their expectations, and exceeding them whenever possible. It's about building trust and loyalty, which are key to sustaining a monopoly. And then there's strategic planning. This is the compass that guides your monopoly. It's what gives you a clear sense of direction and purpose. It's what helps you navigate the complexities of the market and stay one step ahead of your competitors. Strategic planning is about looking into the future and making informed decisions based on market trends, customer behavior, and other relevant factors. It's about anticipating changes, preparing for them, and turning them into opportunities. So, to maintain a monopoly, you need to be innovative, customer-centric, and strategic. You need to constantly evolve and adapt. You need to stay ahead of the curve and never rest on your laurels. It's a challenging task, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Building a monopoly is a process that requires innovation, growth, and continuous improvement. Building a monopoly is no small feat, but with the right strategies, it is achievable. We've journeyed through the intricate process together, starting with understanding what a monopoly truly is. A sole powerhouse in a market, unrivaled and unchallenged. We've unpacked the essential foundations of a monopoly, discussing the importance of securing a unique product or service and the role of patents and copyrights. Then, we explored growth and expansion strategies, highlighting the significance of strategic acquisitions and market saturation. Finally, we delved into the maintenance of a monopoly, emphasizing the need for constant innovation, customer satisfaction, and regulatory navigation. Each of these steps is crucial. None can be overlooked if your goal is to build a monopoly. Remember, monopolies are not built in a day. It takes time, effort, and constant innovation. Thank you for tuning in to InvestorWeb. If you found this video informative, do subscribe for more such insights. Until next time, keep investing and keep growing.